I'm Ricardo Massola, ergonomics specialist, and today we're going to talk about ergonomic tools. The way humans make and use tools is perhaps what sets our species apart more than anything else. Now, scientists are more and more uncovering the forces that drove us to our heights of tool use, and how to use in turn might have influenced on our evolution. And to talk about the importance of ergonomics adequacy for tools, I invite you to take a closer look at some of the ancient tools here at the Louvre Museum in Paris.
This is one of the tools used in the ancient Egypt. Looking at it, maybe you don't recognize its utility or its factual content before you see the following paintings. In this painting, we see peasants taking care of the land for planting. At the bottom, laborers are shown turning the earth and pulling a plow. "I'm going to do more than my charge," says one of them. This sentence can also be discussed by ergonomists as it will imply in a higher effort from the worker. But talking about the tools, see that in the inferior part, the first and the second men from left to right are carrying the same object shown to you early before. This object is a hoe, used on the ancient Egypt. The third man carries a sickle, while others take care to spread the seeds. Note that the hoe handle has a diameter which is congruent to the hands of its user. Nevertheless, do note that the peasants assume a significant spine flexion. This posture might happen because of the hoe's design that didn't provide an erect position, as it could happen due to the fact that in ancient Egypt, most of the paintings showed what is called scenes from the daily life. Current investigations show that in ancient Egypt, many suffered from rheumatic diseases, such as ankylosing spondylitis, a disease that makes your spine to be curved. This next painting shows the use of a hand harrow harvesting cereals. Note that the cables have a height that allows an erect position of the user. Another painting shows the use of tools and animals in agriculture. Note that the harrow used in the picture has its handles in a height that is closer to the peasant's hips, what keeps him in an erect position and his arms relaxed, as well as it has a hold for proper adaptation of human hands.
If the ancient Egyptians already taught us about the use of adapted tools for its users, what are the current discussed aspects in ergonomics that can influence the conception of more adequate tools for workers?
Anthropometric studies show that for non-powered tools, the handle length should be from 4 to 6 inches or 10.2 to 15.2 centimeters. The handle diameter for power grip should vary from 1.2 to 2 inches or 3 to 5.1 centimeters. The maximum weight should be 4 pounds or 1.8 kilograms. The handle shape should be circular, and the maximum torque shouldn't exceed 26 Newton meters or 19 foot-pound. For precision tools, the diameter should be between 0.3 to 0.6 inches or 8 to 15 millimeters, with a maximum weight of 1 pound or 0.5 kilos and a length of 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters. For pliers and other tools with two handles, the handle grip span should be 2 inches or 5 centimeters when fully closed, and 5 inches or 13 centimeters when fully opened. The maximum weight should be 4 pounds or 1.8 kilos. The handle surface should be high frictional with composite, rubber, or slightly etched for non-slippery surface. Power fastening tools should have a cylindrical handle with a handle diameter of 1.2 to 2 inches or 3 to 5.1 centimeters. Remember to provide a larger diameter flange at bottom of handle so your hand will not slip from handle. Handle length should be between 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters, and triggers should have 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. If it's a pistol grip, remember that it should have 102 degrees angle from handle to aiming axis. Maximum weight should be 4 pounds or 1.8 kilograms, and remember that the center of gravity should be balanced when in use. Also check for vibration and the need of using reaction arm. In relation to some accessories, hoses should have a low weight and should be suspended. Use articulated connectors to avoid cracks and breaks. And don't forget to program audits and preventive maintenance to your tools.
And the most important thing, check with the operator if the tools are appropriate, for they are the specialists on the job. I hope this video can help you in choosing the right tool to work in your company. Thank you and see you next time.